The Samsung Galaxy A27 5G has just started appearing in leaks, and this could be one of the most important mid-range phones of 2026. Now, according to a report from Sam Mobile, the Galaxy A27 has been spotted in IMEI databases, which basically confirms that the device is currently in development. When it comes to launch timing, reports from Bbum suggest that the Galaxy A27 could launch around March or April 2026, which lines up perfectly with Samsung's usual A series release cycle. However, Sammy Guru also reports that there's a possibility of delay, so the exact launch date is still uncertain. Now let's talk about the display. According to leaks shared by Bbum, the Galaxy A27 might feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. On the performance side, reports from Sam Mobile suggest that the phone could be powered by an Exynos 1380 or 1480 chipset, paired with Android 16 and One UI 8.5. And here's the biggest highlight. According to Sam Mobile, Samsung might offer up to 6 years of software updates on this device. For the cameras, details from HamariWeb suggest 50 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, 2 megapixel macro, 13 megapixel selfie camera, and a 5,000 mAh battery, which should easily last a full day. As for pricing, estimates from HamariWeb place it somewhere around 85,000 to 90,000 PKR. So yeah, the Galaxy A27 is shaping up to be a solid and reliable mid-range phone. But the real question is, would you actually buy it or wait for something better? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung leaks and updates.